A vampire fang grill set we just had done for a customer. This one here goes on the top canine teeth and the bottoms as well. It is solid 925 sterling silver with the diamond dust finish, and it has a hidden back bars as well. You can see the connecting bridge bar there. This is available on our website, blingcartel.com. This is handmade work, custom fitted to fit your teeth perfectly. All right, check it out, guys. blingcartel.com. Handmade Fangs Set. You can do the top, you can do the bottom, or the full set. Well, thank you for watching, guys, and as always, y'all have a good one.